Ah, I'm in a boat. Ah, well, I'm in a boat. Nobody gets that one, but hey. Great. Not ready to go there yet. Oh! Lucky me. You will die. Die, 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 die. Pow! In your face, in your face. Ow. On my head. Just to show how interesting it was, I did this without using my level 3 gun. So, that was a lot of... That added a good bit of health to them, actually. On the head. But now, you and me, tough guy. I hate this boss more than anything else in the whole entire world. Ouch. But I will show him that his drones are no match for me. Ah. Awesome sauce. Ah. We're level 9. Who haven't we dealt with? The Eliminator. Oh no. Haha. So now we'll explore the entire board as we look for Eliminator, because there's just... Let's roam. Let's roam. Down here looks like fun. They're at level 1. That's his favorite place to appear. So much power. Eliminator will stand no chance against me. Here's one of your secret computers, found right here in your information. The pattern scanner is actually a computer you get from the boss. Core computers are something you have to find. And these two, I forget what one of them are, but I do know that one of them is that one. And it's called Expel. But this, oh yes, that's that hard to get one. That you have to brutally hurt yourself to get it. It's called shape-shifting, I believe. I actually find it kind of sad I've never explored this place. Always give you a way to come back. Now, let us destroy the first core in the entire game. Yay! Just for fun. Kill, kill, kill. We just beat the first core in the game. That's a large milestone. Because I never went to the first part of the game. I never made it through the first part of the game. I just made it through every other part. Let me through. One more square, and we have completely explored the natural caves. So get Dang it. Let's fully explore the Annihilator Factory, which I am completely against, but here we go. Actually, let's go for 100%. We haven't gathered basically any of the computers. As you can see, that deals such little damage now. It's awesome. Oh, way too close for me. I don't even want to see if that actually repelled or not. You are all so puny. Yeah! You thought you were damaging me real good, but I just owned you all. There's some more storyline for you. What's this? Ha ha ha! You cannot get me. Ha ha ha! You cannot get me. Ah! We've explored the Annihilator Factory. So far, no signs of the Eliminator. He's a bully, but come on. Let's explore one more place before we close it. Ouch. The Eliminator. We always have to have one boss in our videos, right? Harsh. The silence just overflows the room. I am level X. I have 20 health, and I can sustain, with my current defenses, 40 damage. I just exploded. I now have 19 health. I was hit by a 1 damage bullet. I was hit by a 2 damage bullet. I was hit by a freaking soldier. And I have not lost 1/3 my health. I'm actually getting careless, which could be bad. So let's take things serious once again. Ooh, in your face. Seriousness, it prevails. Slash in your slash in your face. Slash in your face. I even reflected your bullet. Oh great. Madness. I'm just thinking in my head how epic this will look in video. Come here, jerk. Come here, come here. You wanna fight me? Very well. Hey look, it's the very first core ever made. Looks like it decayed pretty bad. I'm done.